quick run through some of the cars that caught my eye at the auction. Starting off with this absolutely gorgeous, fully restored 1986 Toyota Corolla AE86 twin cam. This car did not sell at the auction, has a buy it now price of £32,000. Next to it's this 1996 Subaru Impreza Turbo. This car was Subaru's UK press car. Then it was owned by the McRae family, with the sun visors signed by Jimmy McRae and also Alistair McRae. Travelled around 92,000 miles, didn't sell, has a buy it now price for £16,000. Another Impreza 1999, UK cars, travelled 99,000 miles. This was offered at the sale without a reserve and sold for £2,475. This is quite unique. A 1993 Mazda RX7 fitted with a 5.7 LS V8 engine. Sold for £16,875. 1996 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution Ford GSR, travelled around 105,000 kilometres. It sold for £10,688. This 1989 Lancia Delta HF Integrale 8 valve, which features in my previous video called Affordable Modern Classic Italian Cars Sold at the Classic Car Auctions. Cars travelled just over 105,000 miles and it sold for £13,500. 1991 Toyota Celica GT4, it's been in storage for quite some time, travelled 84,000 miles, sold for £4,275. 1991 Ford Fiesta RS Turbo, in need of some recommissioning, travelled around 89,000 miles and it sold for £5,063. 1989 Ford Fiesta Ghia CVT Automatics, travelled just under 42,000 miles, sold for £2,700. Now how about this 1983 Ford Fiesta XR2? This car surprised me because it's been off the road since the late 90s. It's believed to only travelled around 32,000 miles and it didn't sell at the auction. It has a buy it now price of £8,650. And here's another car that surprised me. This 1980 Opel Kadett 1.3 SR also didn't sell at the auction. It's travelled around 38,000 kilometres. It's got a buy it now price of £10,750. Lovely looking 1993 Mercedes-Benz E220 Estate. This car's travelled just under 78,000 miles. Also didn't sell at the auction, has a buy it now price of £9,000. This is rare. 2013 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Fast and Furious Special Edition, one of only 6. The cast of the movie actually signed the dashboard, including Paul Walker. It's travelled just over 60,000 miles and it sold for £7,337. Take a look at this 2018 Subaru WRX STI UK car with just 51 miles on it. It didn't sell at the auction, has a buy it now price of £44,000. Absolutely lovely 2006 Porsche Cayman S. This Porsche's only travelled 17,620 miles. It sold for £18,000. And next to it is this 1995 TVR Chimaera 4 litre that's travelled just under 96,000 miles. It sold at the auction for £9,225. This is cool. 2005 B&W 545i Sport Touring. It's only travelled just under 37,000 miles, sold for £10,125. Twin turbo 1995 Toyota Supra. It's travelled just under 69,000 miles and it sold for £31,500. Take a look at this 2001 B&W M5. It's travelled just under 87,000 miles, sold for £23,063. 2003 TVR Tuscan. It's travelled just under 152,000 miles, one owner, sold for £19,125. 1987 B&W 325i Saloon. It's travelled just over 106,000 miles. Didn't sell at the auction, so it has a buy it now of £8,500. And it's the same with the 1997 B&W 840 Ci Sport that's next to it in blue. This was also offered at the auction and didn't sell. It's travelled just over 131,300 miles and it's got a buy it now price of £12,000. 2005 Ferrari 612 Scaglietti. This Ferrari's only travelled just over 28,140 miles. It sold for £47,250. And next to it, got this gorgeous 1991 Daimler Double Six. It's travelled just around 98,000 miles. It didn't sell at the auction. It's got a buy it now price of £8,000. And here's the final car that caught my eye. It's a 1991 Jaguar XJ6 4 litre. It's travelled around 93,400 miles and it sold at the auction for just £1,125. Whatever you're driving, I really hope it's enjoyable. Take care. See you for the next one. Bye bye.